Welcome to the first video in our series on UPSC Prelims 2024 Solved Geography Questions. We will cover 5 questions in this video and its related concept after each explanation to help you prepare better. Be sure to watch the full playlist for all questions. Happy learning! Let's start with question 1. The longest border between any two countries in the world is between which of the following pairs of countries? A. Canada and the United States of America. B. Chile and Argentina. C. China and India. D. Kazakhstan and Russian Federation. The correct answer is option A. The longest border between any two countries in the world is between Canada and the United States of America. Here is a quick summary. The Canada-USA border is the longest at approximately 8,891 kilometers. Kazakhstan and Russia have the second longest, and Chile and Argentina have the third longest border. Moving to question 2. Consider the following statements about the Red Sea. Statement 1. The Red Sea receives very little precipitation in any form. Statement 2. No water enters the Red Sea from rivers. Which statement is correct? The answer is option C. Both statements 1 and 2 are correct. The Red Sea region is arid and desert-like, with extremely low rainfall. Average annual precipitation is only a few centimeters, making it one of the driest seas in the world. The Red Sea has no significant rivers or freshwater inflows. It is almost entirely dependent on seawater exchange through the Bab el-Mandeb Strait and evaporation. This image summarizes why both statements are correct. The Red Sea experiences little precipitation and lacks river inflow due to its location. Question 3 involves atmospheric heating. Statement 1. The atmosphere is heated more by incoming solar radiation than by terrestrial radiation. Statement 2. Carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases are good absorbers of long-wave radiation. Which option is correct? The correct option is D. Statement 1 is incorrect, but Statement 2 is correct. Insolation reaches the Earth's surface in short waves, and heat is radiated from the Earth in long waves. The atmosphere is transparent to short waves and opaque to long waves. Therefore, solar radiation, short wave, mostly passes through the atmosphere and heats the Earth's surface. The surface then emits terrestrial radiation, long wave, which is absorbed by greenhouse gases, heating the atmosphere. Greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, and water vapor absorb infrared radiation, long wave, emitted by Earth's surface. This absorption traps heat in the atmosphere, contributing to the greenhouse effect. Thus, the atmosphere is heated more by terrestrial radiation, long wave, than by incoming solar radiation, short wave. And greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide absorb long-wave radiation effectively. To summarize, incoming solar radiation is short-wave and mostly passes through the atmosphere. The Earth emits long-wave terrestrial radiation, which heats the atmosphere when absorbed by greenhouse gases. Question 4. Statement 1 says the thickness of the troposphere at the equator is greater than at the poles. Statement 2 says that at the equator, heat is transported to great heights by strong convectional currents. Which option is correct? The answer is option A. Both statements are correct, and Statement 2 explains Statement 1. The troposphere is the lowest layer of the atmosphere. Its thickness varies at equator approximately 16 to 18 kilometers and at poles approximately 8 to 10 kilometers. This variation is due to temperature differences. Warmer air expands more. The equator receives maximum solar radiation, heating the surface intensely. This causes strong convectional uplift of air, pushing it to higher altitudes. The troposphere is the lowest atmospheric layer. Its thickness varies significantly between the equator and the poles due to temperature and convection. Finally, question 5. Consider pyroclastic debris, ash and dust, nitrogen compounds, and sulfur compounds. How many of these are products of volcanic eruptions? The correct answer is option D, all 4. Pyroclastic debris, ash, dust, nitrogen compounds, and sulfur compounds are all products released during volcanic eruptions. Volcanic eruptions release a variety of materials into the atmosphere, including solids like ash and debris, and gases such as sulfur and nitrogen compounds. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it helpful and learned something new today. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more informative content.